Good morning. I'm sitting inside my 260-degree portable blind, thanks to Ashley and Nate. Um, trying to do a little fall turkey hunting, practicing my calls to get the birds to come in. Saw some fairly fresh turkey tracks on my way in. I guess California turkey or southwestern turkeys um, don't always roost in the same trees. So I followed the tracks until I lost them. I don't see anything in the trees around me. Uh, I thought I heard um, a gobbler respond from back in that direction. I'm gonna sit here for about an hour, and if I don't see anything, um, I'll probably hike over the other direction. Uh, Birds are finally starting to wake up, so if there's some turkey in this area, we'll probably hear them pretty soon. I've got a turkey diaphragm call and a crow whistle call. Um, I guess, from what I understand, crows and turkeys are mortal enemies. I guess crows and ravens are notorious for stealing turkey eggs. So I'm going to let off a crow call here and see if I get any kind of response. Kind of sweeping my head across like that, make it sound like, I don't know, like a crow's flying, I guess. I don't know. This is literally the first time I'm doing this. Literally the first time I'm doing this actually out in the wild. Hit the crow call again because I thought I might have heard a crow back from that direction uh, calling back at me. So if there are turkeys around here, I don't want him to think that I'm not a crow. If he hears a couple of crows talking to each other, maybe they'll come down and come my direction. So, yeah, that's me practicing my calls, learning how to do it, and hopefully see something come through. I don't know if you can actually see through the mesh on this blind, but I can actually see through it. It's actually quite a nice blind. I'm very surprised at how easily I can see through it, and it's also got windows on it. Those little triangles are all windows, so I can put my face mask on and my hood on and drop those windows and see a little bit better. So anyway, see, still learning. I heard a gobbler. I'm in a little on the side of a little canyon here, a little washout, and I think I heard a gobbler on the other side of the canyon. So I'm going to sit here for a little while and see. I don't know if you guys could hear him or not. There he is. I don't know if you guys could hear him or not, but he was responding. So I may be bringing a turkey home today. That will be very extremely exciting to me. One more time. I got the rasp perfect right that time. Yeah. Okay. I'm sorry. I can hear him. He's pretty up high on that other hill. So I'll see if I can get him called in. Wish me luck.